Welcome to VINDAL'S concept. Let's solve for x. X raised to power 3 bracket all raised to power 2 minus 2x raised to power 3 plus 1. What I did was I know that this times this will still give me 6. So I have x raised to power 3 and x raised to power 3. So let x raised to power 3 be v. V for v. So we have v squared. So putting v here, we now have v squared because x raised to power 3 is already v. So this is v squared minus 2. In place of x raised to power 3, I'll put v plus 1 equal to 0. All right, at this point, I have to factorize. So v squared times v is v squared. So I'm going to have v squared minus v plus 1 equal to 0. Yeah, minus 1 times minus 1 minus v times v is going to give me v squared. Then minus v is going to give me minus 2. I'm going to factorize these two. So having v bracket, v times v is giving me v squared minus 1. I have to introduce bracket. I have to introduce bracket such that when I open the bracket, I still have this expression. Minus 1 bracket v minus 1 equal to 0. This is factorization. I'm factorizing this expression. If you don't know how to do factorization, you can check my video on factorization. There are how many there. So I'm taking v and minus 1, v minus 1 bracket v minus 1 equal to 0. This means v minus 1 is equal to 0 and v minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, v is equal to 1 or v is equal to 1. So v is equal to 1, that's just it. So remember that this is where the issue is. V is not really, what I'm looking for is not v, I am looking for x. So I'm going to say v is equal to x raised to power 3, but v is something as 1 equal to x raised to power 3. So how do I remove x raised this 3 such that I can only have x? I'm going to multiply by 1 over 3. I'm also going to multiply by 1 over 3. This will cancel this. I have that x is equal to 1 raised to power 1 over 3. And x is something as cube root of 1. And x is 1. Thank you. If I put x as 1 here, I will have 0. Thank you for being part of the class.